little off topic on AI, but that's like the talk of the world, right? And all something that's needed in the trades and blue collar, we definitely shouldn't be threatened by it. We should be encouraged by it.
You know, before you started working with LB Capital, you actually owned an HVAC company, right?
Yes.
So what did that really teach you about business that you wouldn't get from anywhere else?
I mean, that was my first like entrepreneur business owner role. So I was down in the swamp, they call it, you know what I mean? When you're just starting a business, and then you kind of have different levels to that, right? So they call the swamp usually that $1.5 million to $3 million mark, where you're just in the swamp and you don't have enough capital to hire the people that you need in place so that you can work on your business and not in it. And then again, it's this you're kind of stuck there. And so really you need to empower yourself either to join a coaching group or surround yourself and attend events that will help elevate you. That's the best you can do, right, to learn. Or again, something that we'll talk about is like raising your prices so that you can hire those leaders in place and really take care of your company. And like ultimately, when you have the vision in mind, the company has to be the mission. And a lot of business owners, you know, sometimes drowned in trying to make it about the person themselves, right? Or the opposite, where I had like a Winner Circle client yesterday. He was giving advances to his employees, and I'm like, to this client, I'm like, the company has to come first, because you have to explain to these team members that if you don't put the mission as the company, there won't be a company to pay you advances, right? So like that short term and really, I guess like learning from that of the company has to be the mission, and you really have to elevate yourself as an owner or leader to get it to that point so that you can get out of that swamp.
You've now worked with a lot of businesses that are doing like 2 to 3 million in revenue and scaled them up with LB Capital to 20 million, right? 30 million, some of them. Have you gone to 30 million in revenue?
Our highest one was months at 25 million.
25 million. And you did that how quickly?
16 to 18 months, depending on how you look at it. But we have one of our newer partners, IM in Prattville, Alabama, is on pace to outpace months. So we'll see. Check back in a couple months to see where they are.
Cool.
We signed with them in September. And this is a good story for all leaders, right? So we partnered with them in September. So it was October, we sent their team to sales training. They dabbled in November. The first week of December is always when our conference is. And the partner came up to us, Alec, and he's like, my whole team, when I just left for this conference, just walked out on our company. And we're like, that's okay. Like, they're not the people that you want on this journey with you, right? If they can't buy into where the company's going.
Wait, so I missed that. Why did they walked out of what?
Yeah, so when one of IM is the partner we have, in December, there was only about a month after their sales training that they
IM is a roofing company.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, in Prattsville, Alabama.
Yeah.
The partner, Alec, who's the owner, was
Yeah.
at the conference with us, and he got a call that his entire staff had walked out while he was away at the conference. And
That's insane.
Yeah.
That's insane. What were his revenues at that time?
I mean, he was doing maybe $4 million for the whole entire year.
Yeah.
So he came up to us and was like, you probably don't want to partner with me anymore. We're like, no, Alec, like this happens all the time, and they're not the people that you want on that mission with you and where we're going. So we came out of that conference, recruited a new sales team for the whole month of December, sent them sales training in January.